Today we will be discussing the rest of the questions in exercise 5.3. You have learned exercise 5.3 15th question. That is a daily life application of sum of n terms. Now let us see question number 16. A sum of rupees 700 is to be used to give 7 cash prizes to students of a school for their overall academic performance. If each prize is rupees 20 less than its preceding prize, find the value of each of the prizes. So let us see how to take the data from the question. Here, total of rupees 700. That is, sum of n terms is 700. Let us see where are we getting n. Here it is given that 7 cash prizes to students. So what is n? N is equal to 7. Now you have a statement that each prize is 20 less than its preceding prize. That is 20 less than. So common difference is negative 20. Why? 20 less than the preceding price. So common difference is equal to negative 20. So what is asked to you? You are asked to find the AP. Now you are having sum of 7 terms, common difference D, number of terms. So which equation will you use? You will use the formula Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into D. Substituting the values and simplifying, you will get A. Why? N you know, D you know, and Sn you know. So the only unknown quantity here is A. So after substituting the values and simplifying, you will get the first term as 160. First term as 160. What is the common difference? Common difference is minus 20. So you can subtract 20 from each term. 160 minus 20 is 140. 140 minus 20 is 120. Till where you will calculate? You will calculate 7 terms. Why 7 terms? You have 7 cash prizes. Hope it is clear to you. We'll move on to the next question. In a school, students thought of planting trees in and around the school to reduce air pollution. It was decided that the number of trees that each section of each class will plant will be the same as the class in which they are studying. Example, a section of class will plant 1 tree, a section of class 2 will plant 2 trees, and so on till class 12. There are 3 sections of each class. How many trees will be planted by the students? Students, here you have 12 classes. So, number of terms is 12. But what is the twist here? Class 1 is having 3 sections. That is 1A, 1B, 1C. So, class 1 will plant 3 plants. Class 2, one section will plant 2 trees, and such 3 classes are there. So, what will be the number of plants planted by class 2? 6. You can see here I have written the classes and number of plants they will plant. 1 into 3, 2 into 3, 3 into 3, 4 into 3 till 12 into 3. how many terms are there? 12 terms are there. And from this, you can see that they are the multiples of 3. They are the multiples of 3. You know the first term and the last term. So, how will you find the sum of 12 terms? You can do Sn is equal to n by 2 into a plus an. What is an? An is the last term or nth term. Here nth term is 36. Substituting the values you know, you will get the total number of trees is equal to 234. Is that clear to you, children? Here, why we are getting multiples of 3? Because each class is having 3 sections. Each class is having 3 sections. That is why we are getting a multiple of 3.